Ready, baby? Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be an interesting type of video because, as you guys probably read from the title, I'm gonna be letting wifey drive the G for the first time. It's not like she hasn't ever like driven a manual. She knows how to drive manual cars.
Yeah, my first car was a Nissan Altima Coupe. It was a 3.5 liter engine. And
yeah, same motor as the G37. And
yeah, it was manual. So that was like my first car. I had it for like 2 years.
Yeah. She hasn't driven like manual in like several years though, so that's the point of this video. I haven't had her drive the G yet. She's kind of been nervous.
The last manual car that I drove was a Honda Civic, and it was like super easy.
Yeah.
Like, I know that clutches are all different, so I'm interested to see how this one actually drives, because I know that your old G was super difficult.
We're at the nail salon right now. It's Babe's birthday in a couple days, so I'm treating her to get her nails done, a pedicure. I'm gonna be hopping up inside right now, and then when we come back out, that's when I'm gonna let Babe drive the G, and we shall see how she does. All right, and just like that, we're walking out of the nail salon. That took a lot longer than we expected, but it is time, Babe. She just got her toes done and her nails done. She's holding all the drinks and stuff, but
oh my god.
oh my gosh, Babe, what are you doing?
It's freaking low. Okay, wait, do you have to put your foot in the clutch to start it? Right?
Alright, well, Babe couldn't get the car to start, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh my god, it feels weird as hell sitting on this side.
It feels weird sitting right here. I feel like the steering wheel's up so high.
Woo, it's hot as hell in here. You feel like the steering wheel's up high?
Yeah.
First time, did you ever drive my 335i BMW?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you drove it to work. Woo, I'm actually pretty nervous now that I'm sitting here knowing that you have to like get out of first gear. And please be careful, we're right next to a curb. Alright guys, here we go. Alright, first things first, you know what to do.
Do I? I'm scared.
Whoa! First gear success. I'm actually pretty impressed. That's so funny. I feel like they're smooth too. And we're just in the parking lot right now, guys.
Where should I go first?
Just head to the Target.
God, you would kill me if I hit the curb.
Oh yeah, I'd be so sad. Let's try not to do that, babe.
It's like riding a bike. You know? Wait, it won't stall if I'm in neutral, right?
No.
Or memories of
You just don't launch it in front of a car. Okay, second. It sounds so much louder sitting on this side of the car. It's so funny. I haven't sat in passenger yet, guys. First time she's ever driven this car. And we're on the way to Target right now. She actually just purchased a dress the other day and they left the damn security tag on, so we're going back. So what you thinking? Do you feel like it's just, you remember everything?
Yeah, it's just about like learning like how this clutch works specifically. Like, it's a little bit hard to press in with my feet being slippery right now.
Yeah, that's true. Oh my god.
Babe, it's about learning, right?
You just went into second gear. I knew something like that was gonna happen, so.
That's the least of your worries.
She's honestly doing great, guys. Other than just throwing it in a second, just a second ago. It's all good. Just going steady driving right now. Alright. Green arrow, you got this. first.
It's hard because it's like, I feel like 4th and 2nd are so close in this car. Like, easily. The last one I was like, maybe this is 2nd, maybe this is 4th, and it was indeed 2nd, so that's fine.
That's all good, you're doing great. Just like that, guys, she's back in the G, driving it like she never left, like she never stopped driving manual. We're just coasting right now when it's like 100 and I think 7 degrees out, guys. Arizona summer right now is no joke, but temps on the G are good. And yeah, we're just vibing right now. We're actually on the way to Target right now, and once we leave Target, well, she'll also be driving us back home. But yeah, guys, I really thought she was gonna stall the first time when I really did. I mean, it's been forever, and you've never driven this car before. And like every car you drive, the clutch is different. So, but yeah, we're almost at Target right now. We'll see you guys in just a sec. All right, we're back just like that, and we're actually kind of like on a little slant. So you're gonna have to give it a little extra gas.
I just flew by.
In the golf cart, it's funny because I saw your eyeballs just go like, but not with the camera. All right, let's see it.
Okay. Oh my God, I put it into first.
Babe, give it gas. We started rolling back.
You have no faith in me. You literally have no faith.
We're like, whoa,
dude,
whoa,
that's when you drive. I am smooth.
We're going behind Target now, so babe.
I want to take a picture real quick.
Just
Perfect.
park right here.
Literally perfect.
A little thumbnail action going too. Just park right next to there.
Skirt.
Let's get it.
Synergy. She told me you don't have to be alone. Back then I was out in alleyways, doing 140 on the highway. Remember 2016 like it was yesterday. Leave that shit behind, it's a new day. What you said, I just feel come you said. I need my forgiveness and I need my patience. And I got my like home, like I got patience. And I guess I should go home to forgot. I gave up trying to socialize, try to keep control, but it's secrets I can't hide. I lose sleep 'cause I stay up asking why. I do this shit alone, but at least I keep my pride. Aren't you tired of being on guard? Jesus Christ, you wanna be the star?
All right, we just got home. Babe does not want to reverse into the driveway, but I don't blame her. I know you could. I mean, you reversed into Target perfect first try, but she wants me to do this. But what do you think, babe? What did you think about driving manual?
I think it was normal.
Not like you haven't before, but
Yeah, it was perfectly fine. I would say I would wear different shoes next time because my toes hurt. The clutch is a little bit stiff, like not too stiff, but
we were saying that my wide body G35 that I had way back in the day, that was like the stiffest like clutch, because
Yeah.
I had like an OEM clutch, and then I went to the stage 2 clutch, and they were both stiff. But
yeah.
Babe did amazing. I'm actually really impressed that she didn't install out of first gear or any of the gears. So
he said, how are you doing that?
yeah, honestly, I was like, how are you doing so well? Because she was doing like some clean like first to second shifts, or just getting into first.
Like
because I know you guys can relate. If you guys drive manuals, you guys have your days where you just are like shitty at like shifting and stuff. Some days you're just like super bad.
Some days you're like lazy with it, like you're in a rush or like whatever, but we're chilling,
I give her a 10 out of 10. It was absolutely amazing. Next time I have her drive her, I want her to step on it. We're really just running some errands today. Like I said, it was her birthday, so we had a few errands.
You missed the part where I actually kind of did.
I know, I didn't have the camera up, guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different than what I'm used to filming, but I wanted to see Babe get back, drive some manual, and she did fantastic.
It was fun, guys.
Yep, but until next time, guys, more videos, more content on the way. You know what it is. We out here. Peace.
Back then I was